Victims of the recent windstorm that killed 6 persons and left over 30 injured in Garba, Bali local government area of Taraba State, are now appealing to government for urgent intervention to allow them return to their homes. Senior reporter Olabi Odenuse has more.
Last month, the Nigerian Meteorological Agency forecasted thunderstorms and heavy rainfall across several states, including Taraba. The resultant windstorm devastated communities in Bali, destroying schools, mosques, churches, shops, and homes, and damaging food supplies and properties worth millions of naira.
Based on the record and the authentic statistic we have taken, about 923 households has been affected. And out of these 923 households, 124 have turned to homeless.
One of the stranded victims, Musa Mohammed, a father of 4, recounted his ordeal to TVC News.
We get a accident with the renting. So this is our properties. We don't have any place that we sleep in. Everything is scattered.
The cries for help seem to be gaining attention as delegations representing Balabello visited Garba, Chede, and offered financial support to the victims. Speaking during the donation, the CBN Deputy Governor stressed the need for collective responsibility in supporting families affected by natural disasters.
I'm here to represent our principal, Dr. Bala Mohammed Bello, Deputy Governor, Central Bank of Nigeria, Chairman, Asset Management Corporation of Nigeria, for extending his hands of fellowship to victims of windstorm in Garbachede village.
Other victims present at the event reiterated their appeal to both the state and federal government to provide more substantial support to help them rebuild their lives.
We are very grateful to Dr. Bala Mohammed for supporting us. And we pray for other people to copy from him.
Let's government look into the problem of Garbashede. Let them have human sympathy on them so that they should know the next line of action.
Nagbo Kefas reassured victims that the state government is already working on measures to assist them in rebuilding and resettlement. It is hoped that the Northeast Development Commission charged with infrastructural reconstruction in the region will act swiftly by providing essential building materials to the affected communities.